Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook sago pearls. First, rinse your sago pearls well under cold water to remove any impurities. Next, choose a large pot and fill it with ample water. A good ratio is about 4 cups of water for every 1 cup of sago. Avoid soaking the pearls beforehand, as this can lead to a less desirable, mushy texture. This initial preparation ensures a perfect start to your sago dish. Once your water is at a rolling boil, carefully add the rinsed sago pearls to the pot. It's crucial to stir continuously for the first few minutes to prevent them from sticking together or to the bottom of the pot. Continue to cook the sago for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until most of the pearls have become translucent. A small white dot in the center is perfectly fine. After cooking, remove the pot from the heat and let the sago pearls rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the remaining opaque centers to cook through. Next, carefully drain the sago using a fine mesh sieve. Immediately rinse the pearls thoroughly under cold running water. This step is vital to stop the cooking process and wash away any excess starch, ensuring a lovely, non-sticky texture. Your perfectly cooked sago pearls are now ready to enjoy. You can serve them warm or chilled, depending on your recipe. They are wonderfully versatile and pair beautifully with coconut milk, fresh tropical fruits, or a drizzle of your favorite sweet syrup. For convenience, any leftover cooked sago can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.